2021 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 24,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.